Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can share a response and a prompt from your conversations on Copilot in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to your account on Copilot, and what you want to do next is navigate to your chat history here on the left hand side, and from there click into the given chat or conversation, browse through your conversation. And you can, for example, share not only the entire conversation, but only specific responses with the associated preceding request or prompt of yours. So hover your mouse over the given response. After that, click into share message and prompt, and you will see, just as I said, the response and also the associated prompt of yours here. So you may use a shareable link to do that. Click into copy link here to copy it to your clipboard, or share the given part of the conversation via email or on various social media platforms like X, Facebook, Reddit. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.